Good morning, Business Law 2 students. This is Dr. Griffin giving you the weekly announcement for March 4th, 2019. Hope you're enjoying the course. As I sent you a message yesterday, all of your assignments, I should say, are graded and points are posted in your grade book. Thanks for finishing Exam 1, covering chapters 35 through 39. And now moving on to chapters 40 and 41 for this week. Please read those chapters and review the PowerPoints. You have two assignments for this week. One is homework assignment number 3, covering chapters 40 and 41. And you have threaded discussion number 2. As you know, homework assignments are timed 60 minutes. You have 20 questions. So make sure you are ready when you begin the assignment on the homework number 3. And also, threaded discussion number 2 is out. Remember, first answer my questions, and then post at least to 2 of your colleagues for a total post of 3 that are required for consideration of the 20 points. Okay, so make sure you answer the questions and threaded discussions that I've given you, and then have essentially a virtual dialogue with your classmates on their findings for the assignment. So those assignments, again, always due on Sunday nights before 10 p.m., which would be March 4th this week. Hope you're enjoying the course, and as always, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me. This is the announcement for March 4th, 2019. Thank you very much.